kangkong. Very good. Shrimp and fish. Tinoa. Yun. Let's wait. Ning bukal na. Ilunod na itong ato ang lamas. The spices for our soup. We have tanglad. A very big tanglad. Luya. Onion. We also have the tomatoes. Wow. Tomatoes. And then the chili. And then spring onions. Kana sa punong andapit. Let's close it. Wait for it to boil. Oops! Bukal na. Let's put a little bit of salt. Okay. And then let's pour in our shrimp. Let's pour in our shrimp and fish. Let's have our fish first. We only have 2 slices because there's only me and Eda. So duha lang. And then our shrimp. Yeah. Okay, and then bring it to boil. Close the lid and wait for it. Let it boil, let it boil, let it boil. Boil, boil, boil. Boil. Boil na. Bukal na siya. Wow. More salt. Pepper. Okay, we have poured our spring onions as well as our kangkong leaves. Wow. Let's just wait for it to boil. This is so delicious. It's boiling already. Ooh. Sarap na yan. Pampalasa, the magic. The magic. It brings magic to our food. Our soup. The Eda, try the soup. It's hot, careful. Okay, let's eat.
I need rice.
Oh, rice. For Ate Eda. Red. Wow, shrimp. You like shrimp? Shrimpy.
Meh.
And the fish. Wow. Holy Spirit. This is the one of these foods which we're about to receive from the bounty of Christ our Lord. And Lord, bless those who have nothing to eat. And Father, Son, and Spirit. Kaon.
Any food nga lang may favorite.
Favorite. Your favorite. Sarap. Okay. How about the shrimp? I need to peel it. I be the one to peel it, babe. Okay. There you go. Sarap. Wow. This is a special dish because today is Mother's Day. And that's my special dish for you.
No,
What
for
did
you.
you say to Mama?
Happy Mother's Day naman.
Yes.
There's something under your pillow.
Really? What's that?
Can't tell you.
I'm going to get it later. Let's eat first.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I'm going to get it now.
What?
Now, right now.